You know, one thing I've learned stepping into Bellevue Hospital as a student nurse at a tender age of around 19-20 was that mental illnesses have no respect for no one, no age, no gender, no profession, nobody at all. So from that day, as a student nurse, I made my mental health, my mental wellness a priority. And being a mental health nurse for the past 20 years, this is my number one priority. As women, we wear many hats. We have to care for ourselves, we have to care for our family, and as a nurse, being in the nursing field, I have to care for others and a lot of other people. So I have to find time to refuel my mental health. So from time to time, I will book off a couple days off work when the kids are at school or the husband is away for self-care, for my time to refuel my cup and find the things that gives me joy, that, you know, even to do some eye shopping, although sometimes they stress me out because I say too much things when my pocket cannot afford. But at least just for a breath of fresh air to get out the house, to put your mindset in a different space, right? So I like to do this. How do you take care of you? How do you refill your cup? How do you prioritize your mental health? Let me know in the comments. And you know, even sometimes we try to say, okay, we're taking the time for us. The kids them sneak in with something. While I was on my mental health days, of course, my daughter wanted me to help her with her hair. So being the mom I am, I had to, you know, grant her that one-to-one time with helping her out with her hairstyle. But one thing, the kitchen had to shut down. We shut down the kitchen, and it is takeout that we did, breakfast and dinner.